Hey guys, welcome to our second tips and tricks video. This time I'm going to show you how we built the guitar racks for our guitars on our bicycles. So as you can see, both our bikes have guitar racks. Mine is a little bit bigger because my guitar is a little bit bigger. This is how it looks when the guitar is on the bike. So essentially you have the rack with these two little arms going around where the guitar sits, and then my guitar is fixed with this bungee net and Luisa's is fixed with just a strap around the guitar. So this is how the whole thing looks without the guitars and the bags on it. So essentially the whole thing is set up or made by having two pannier racks mounted normally once and just out the back for the guitar rack. You can see my bike here has two eyelets, mounting eyelets for the racks, and this is perfect because then we could just put the second one out the back. On Luisa's bike there's only one eyelet, so we just stacked the two over each other and the one is going out the back. The main weight of the guitars is transferred to the frame once here, and the second time round with these rods going up to the main pannier rack. Having good lights on our bike was also a must-have for us. So we extended the tail light from the typical position up here to down there, so that even when the guitars and all the luggage is on, we still have a good reflector and tail light. The only thing missing then was some padding around these the two arms that hold the guitar on up here, and that's essentially it. And so far we've done 1,300 kilometers on the actual ride and a few more 100 kilometers on test rides with this setup, and it's worked perfectly fine. Last thing to mention, the main rack is made out of chromoly steel, same as the frame, but this rack is out of aluminum. This is the original rack, and these arms are also aluminum. These are the original parts from the bike. But so far, as the guitars are also relatively light, it's held up really fine, so we don't think there's going to be any problem with this in the next foreseeable future. So thanks for watching. We really hope you enjoyed this tips and tricks video, and please let us know if you want to see anything else which you might find interesting, and we'll try to do a tips and tricks video on that as well.